Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So I apologize for the lighting today. It's kind of a dreary, rainy day here in Southern Ontario, but hopefully we'll cheer you up with some bright and sunny DIYs. So last time I started my Fine Art Fridays where I try to hone my artistic skills and not just my crafty ideas. So I tried to recreate this beautiful Renoir oil painting by using my acrylic version. So if you missed that and you'd like to see how I made out, click on the video link above and that will take you through the step-by-step process on how I made my version. Also a reminder, this is the third video in our Easter egg hunt. So if you're not sure what the Easter egg hunt's all about, click on the link above and that will explain all of the details. Basically, you have to watch 12 of my Easter egg hunt videos and find the hidden Easter egg that will bounce across the screen somewhere in the video, and it has a letter of the alphabet on it. You need to write down those letters and save them to unscramble a secret word to win a prize. So today I'm going to make another multi-seasonal project, which I like to do to save on time, money, and space, by taking this other cute bunny sign for Easter that I found at the Dollar Tree and making it into another St. Patrick's Day decor. So if you're ready to get your crafty on, let's get started. So this is the cute Easter bunny sign that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and again I wanted to save it to use for Easter, but I thought I could paint the back and make it a St. Patrick's Day decor item. Handy dandy. So there's not a lot of supplies for this, just the sign, some white, brown acrylic paint, foam brush, and I got these wooden hearts from the Dollar Tree as well as this popsicle stick, and some twine. And I also used a button as well, and my famous Gorilla Glue and a glue gun. So first step was to take the little hanger off the sign, and then I put on a coat of white paint using the foam brush. I just put one coat on because I wanted some of the board to show through. And then I just streaked a little bit of brown across it to make it look like wood. I used a hairdryer to dry it completely. Then I took some masking tape and put it along the length of the board twice just to make the illusion of two boards. Then I went along the tape very thinly with the brown paint to make the individual barn boards. Next, I took each of my 3 hearts and using some hot glue and twine, just wrapped the twine around and around the heart. I did have to put glue on both sides just because of the shape of the heart. It made the twine stick to it better. Once all 3 hearts were covered in twine, I took my popsicle stick and put some Gorilla Glue on so that it would be really strong, but I also added some hot glue so it would stick immediately, and glued the 3 hearts in place to make a shamrock. Then I used the twine to cover up the stem. To add a little extra farmhouse cuteness, I glued a brown button in the middle of my shamrock. So I used my Cricut Maker to print out this beautiful Irish blessing that I thought could be up all year round, not just St. Patrick's Day. But it was very time consuming as the font was very, very tiny, and it was very tedious to take all of these little letters off the vinyl. So I will spare you the agony of having to watch me do all of it, but I just showed you how to do the first line. If you order any of these from my Facebook shop, they will come already pre-ready with just the transfer tape on them, so all you have to do is stick them onto your project. So once I figured out the placement of all the lines, I went ahead and transferred them all to the board, making sure to leave enough room at the bottom for my shamrock. Once all the letters were in place, I used some Gorilla Glue and hot glue to glue my shamrock on the bottom. And there you go, a beautiful Irish blessing for St. Patrick's Day. God bless you and your family. See you next time on Discovering the Art of Living. P.S. Did you remember to look for the Easter egg?